Hello and welcome back to another watercolor session. So today I'm going to be drawing people because that's something that I'm really bad at. I decided to skip the expressions or even the features like eyes, etc. because that's like one of the hardest things to draw when you're drawing people. So I made a lot of mistakes in this session and there were a lot of regrets, but it's okay. Like I told you, I'm not really good at it, so it's a little hard for me to capture the exact essence of what I see in a photograph. So I basically try to draw some women and some men from different ethnicities, and I didn't want to give a color to the face because I wanted to keep it separate, like actually not worry about the skin color kind. So it was just some like the hairstyle and everything. And this one was supposed to be wearing a hat, but I messed it up. It doesn't look like a hat. So I obviously went ahead and did some damage control and made it even worse. As you can see, now it looks like she's a Mickey Mouse or something. And this one in particular was a beautiful, beautiful woman with a beautiful headscarf. And I frankly didn't do justice to this portrait because I decided to put in the color of the skin. That's a skin color because she had such amazing skin. But like I said, I was terrible at it, and I should have just left it alone, but I didn't. Anyway, I'm going to come back and fix that a little bit at least later on. And I'm still trying out different hairstyles right now, and using my Ecoline brush, this has been a lot easier because I can draw thick and thin lines really, really well. I'm sorry, not the Ecoline, the Escoda brush. And okay, there you go. I'm applying black to the portrait here because I want to make it look like it's a silhouette, so that I don't know, it just feels much nicer, looks nicer, I guess. And as you can see, I added the alien. I would like to call that person an alien, the green color face, because she does have an alien hairstyle, I guess. And then I saw that there was a lot of space in the bottom, so I went ahead and added some text. And I didn't know what to add, and I added fork, but I was wondering, should I add an S because there's empty space, but it doesn't make sense, but I just added it anyway. There you go. This is the final look. And this was my favorite, by the way, and this was the worst one. I could have, I didn't do justice to that. But yeah, there you have some people, and hope you liked it. Bye.